How to buy cryptocurrency with a credit debit card. Before you can start trading, you need to buy cryptocurrencies first. This is why we made things easy for you on Binance. You can use your credit or debit card to buy BTC, BNB, ETH, and more cryptocurrencies. All you need to do is to go to our Binance homepage and click Buy Now. Then use the drop-down menu or search bar to select the crypto you wish to buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. You can choose the currency you'd like to pay with by clicking on the currency on the top. Once you're done, you can choose the payment method. You can buy cryptos with a cash balance, a card, or other options. Buy with fiat balance. In some countries, users are allowed to buy with a fiat balance, a cash balance, and deposit fiat currencies to their wallet on Binance. If the balance is insufficient, you can top up the funds through the deposit channel. Buy cryptos with a bank card. But the most popular way is to buy crypto with a bank card. If this is your first time buying cryptocurrencies with a card, you will need to add a new card. Then check the order details. The total amount includes the price of the cryptocurrency and the handling fee. If everything looks good, click Confirm to proceed. Please note that you may need to complete your identity verification, 3DS safety certification, during the purchase. Once you complete the payment, your purchased cryptocurrency will go directly to your Binance, Fiat, and Spot wallet. And there you have it. This is how you can enjoy trading on the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange in an instant.